Download and install Buggy web application. In this video we will learn about the Buggy framework, which is also called multi-lead framework, and how we can install it, how we can host it inside XAMPP server. So that we are going to learn here in this video. So first of all, you need to open Kali Linux operating system and check if the XAMPP server is running it or not. So here I am at Kali Linux operating system, and before downloading any Buggy web application, let me check if XAMPP server is running or not. So to check, I already provide you information in the last video. So to check the services are running or not, so you can type /opt/lamp and you can start the services by typing start and hit enter. So you can see here that all the services are running. It means XAMPP server is running inside our Kali Linux operating system. Now open your browser and you can see XAMPP is running. Let me download multi-lead framework from internet. So you can type here download multi-lead and hit enter. So you can see here that this is the link of sourceforce.net, so you can use it. Open this link and you need to download the multi-lead from this website. Here it is. So this is OS multi-lead 2. Let me click on downloads. So here I am showing you that how you can download the OS multi-lead from internet. I have already downloaded it. I'm just showing you the process. Here it is. So this is around 24.5 MB file and this is a zip file, right? So you can click on save file and you can click on OK. So now it will download inside your Kali Linux operating system. So after downloading of XAMPP inside the Kali Linux operating system, obviously it will be inside our downloads folder. So it is a zip file. So first of all you can unzip it and then let me show you that what you can get after that. So here you can see that multi-lead is available here, right? So this is after when you will unzip that file, right? This is, you can see the multi-lead. This is like a zip file, so you can double click on it, you can select it and click on extract. After extracting the folder you will get this multi-lead. Double click on it and all the files are available inside it. So we need to host this Buggy web application inside XAMPP server. So that I'm going to show you that how you can do this. Quite simple. Open the terminal and you can go to downloads folder by typing cd space downloads. Type ls. So we have already unzipped the multi-lead, so here is the multi-lead folder. We need to move this file or copy this file from this place to the Apache directory, right? Or the XAMPP directory, you can say. To do that, you can type here cp copy capital R, and I want to copy this complete folder, which is unzipped folder, space where you want to. I want to save it to the directory /opt/lamp/htdocs directory, you can say. So this is the XAMPP directory where I am copying this file. cp space dash capital R, which folder? multi-lead folder, where I want to save. You don't need to put dot /docs and just remove here. Yeah, so at this place I want to copy multi-lead, right? So that I can host it inside XAMPP. Alright, hit enter. Here it is. So the command has been executed. It means the multi-lead has successfully copied inside the htdocs folder. Great. Now you can minimize it and open your browser, remove /dashboard. Now you can type /multi-lead and hit enter. Let's see if it works or not. So you can type here multi-lead and hit enter. So here it is saying that the database server appears to be offline. Now you can come down and you can click on opt out. So let me click on opt out Here it is. So guys, this is the process that how to host Matilde, which is a Buggy web application inside XAMPP server, and I hope you have learned that how you can download and host it. In the next video, we will learn about some information about website. So thank you so much.